What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and as you can see, we got another package here to unbox. We got the double-bladed bat knife on deck. The Snaptain H823H, and we had this little craft before, but this is an upgrade. So we have an upgraded version. Let's open it up. So I don't know if you guys remember this little one, but this one is a little more awesome. The original one was black and blue. You guys know black and red is my favorite colors. So this is one of the things that they added or improved on. This thing has a removable battery now with a pH 2.0 connector. Wow, so we get 2 extra batteries. So 3 battery packs in all we're getting with this, and we have an extra set of props here. We have a USB charging cable. Looks like 2 of them. 2 chargers. So this is pretty awesome, guys. We're getting 2 chargers with this thing and 2 extra batteries. And this is the instructions manual here. So the instructions manual is in very detailed English. The front of the book is English here. So multiple languages on the instructions manual. And so we're definitely going to check this little guy out. Also, I did talk to someone from Snaptain, and they have agreed to sponsor a giveaway. So we're going to be giving away one of these little guys. So all you guys have to do is comment on this unboxing video and comment on the next flight video that I have with this. I think I'm going to have 2 flights with this. I might try it outdoors on a morning fix, and I'm definitely going to fly this little guy indoors because this is more of an indoor flyer with this protective cage all around it and all. If I remember correctly, the original one was a nice flyer, and so hopefully this one has improved on some of the flight characteristics as well, like a faster yaw rate and all. And this thing should be a really awesome flyer, even improved on the other one. The Snaptain H823H mini drone. Thanks for watching.